Say farewell to swelling. These 8 collagen-rich foods are crucial for your joints and legs. Today, if your knees are swollen or your joints ache, you're likely experiencing a rapid loss of collagen. Besides aging, you may be unknowingly depriving your body of the collagen it urgently needs. By the time you reach 65, your body produces less than half the collagen it requires, and each step starts to feel more taxing on your joints. But here's the surprising part. 99% of seniors don't realize that simple dietary choices can swiftly replenish lost collagen. Recent findings show that certain collagen-rich foods don't just slow joint wear, they can cut leg swelling by up to 47% in only 8 weeks, improve mobility, and reduce inflammation. In this video, we'll rank the top 8 collagen-boosting foods from least to most effective. These foods support leg strength, reduce swelling, and promote joint healing. Be sure to stay until the end, because the final item contains 61% more collagen than any other known source, and most older adults have never even tried it. In fact, seniors who consumed it experienced a 63% improvement in skin elasticity and joint lubrication in just 30 days. Before we begin, a quick question. How old are you right now? Drop your age in the comments. We read and reply to each one. Let's get started with food number 8, a simple daily item that helps rebuild collagen in your joints from within. Number 8. Egg yolks. Egg yolks are often overlooked, but they help your body produce collagen. While egg whites are protein-rich, the yolks contain collagen-supporting nutrients like biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D. These don't supply collagen directly, but they enhance your body's collagen production. Sulfur is key. It forms amino acid chains that structure collagen. Without enough sulfur, collagen production slows dramatically, resulting in weak ligaments, joint discomfort, and fluid-related swelling. A 2020 nutrient study followed individuals with mild joint stiffness who ate whole eggs for breakfast 5 days per week. After 10 weeks, they experienced a 22% reduction in joint pain, especially in the knees and lower back. Blood tests showed reduced C-reactive protein, an inflammation marker, and increased collagen synthesis. Results were most noticeable in adults over 60. To maximize benefits, consume yolks soft, poached, soft-boiled, or lightly fried in olive oil. This keeps the yolk's nutrients and sulfur intact. Avoid separating yolks from whites, as yolks contain all the cofactors needed for collagen creation. Modern studies show that whole eggs may maintain healthy HDL cholesterol and don't cause high cholesterol in most seniors. They may not look like a superfood, but egg yolks reinforce joints by helping your body build internal cushioning and reduce morning stiffness. If you're skipping yolks, you're missing one of the easiest ways to support your joints. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. Small but mighty, pumpkin seeds play a big role in collagen formation and joint repair. They're not rich in collagen themselves, but they're loaded with the minerals your body needs to make it: zinc, manganese, and magnesium. Zinc activates collagen-producing enzymes. Manganese promotes tissue strength and flexibility. Magnesium reduces inflammation and supports muscle function. Together, these minerals rebuild cartilage, renew joint linings, and strengthen weak ligaments, key for reducing ankle and knee swelling. A 2021 biological trace element research study found that older adults who consumed just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks had a 19% drop in lower leg swelling and a 27% increase in joint mobility. Blood work revealed improved oxidative stress markers and collagen-building compounds. The best outcomes were seen in participants over 65 with frequent stiffness. For best results, eat pumpkin seeds raw or dry roasted, without added salt or oil. Soaking them overnight in salted water enhances mineral absorption by reducing phytic acid. After soaking, you can dry or lightly toast them, or crush and mix into oatmeal or smoothies to aid digestion and absorption. These seeds don't just promote new collagen, they also help preserve existing collagen. By regulating enzymes and fighting inflammation, they create an ideal environment for joint restoration. Plus, they're easy to store and use daily. If your knees or ankles ache, incorporating just a handful into your routine could bring relief sooner than you expect. Number 6. Canned salmon with bones. Canned, bone-in salmon is one of the most overlooked collagen sources, yet it's ideal for reducing joint swelling and strengthening cartilage. Its edible bones contain collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin, which repair joint structures and ease discomfort. It's especially beneficial for seniors dealing with hip pain, knee wear, or leg swelling from joint degeneration. Many discard the bones or don't realize they're edible, but that's where the true healing power lies. According to a 2020 nutrient study, seniors who ate 3 servings of canned salmon with bones each week saw a 21% reduction in inflammation markers like CRP and a 32% improvement in knee flexibility over 10 weeks. The salmon's omega-3s and collagen peptides reduced swelling while supporting natural collagen regeneration. Participants, especially those with chronic joint stiffness, felt more comfortable standing, walking, and using stairs. Choose wild-caught, bone-in canned salmon for best results. The bones soften during canning, allowing them to be mashed into the meat with a fork. You can stir it into warm grain bowls, mash it onto toast with avocado, or toss into salads. The key is eating the bones and meat together, for a full spectrum of nutrients. Bone-in salmon delivers collagen in an easily absorbed form, perfect for seniors seeking non-supplement joint support. It's affordable, shelf-stable, and easy to prepare. If knee or ankle pain is slowing you down, this one food could make a noticeable difference. If you're enjoying this content, tap the bell, subscribe, and like the video so you don't miss future updates. Now let me hear from you. Are you still with me? Type 1 in the comments if this is useful, or 0 if not. Let's move on. Number 5. Chicken skin. Despite its bad reputation, chicken skin is one of the best natural sources of collagen for older adults. It's packed with type 1 collagen, the same type found in your ligaments, cartilage, and joints. Consuming it provides your body the raw material it needs to rebuild cushioning, repair joint linings, and fight inflammation that causes stiffness and swelling. For people over 60, this isn't just helpful, it's essential. A clinical trial published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences found that adults over 55 who consumed type 1 collagen from poultry sources reported a 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 33% reduction in stiffness within 12 weeks. Their ankle swelling reduced, knees moved more easily, and scans showed less cartilage breakdown. And this wasn't from supplements, it came from real, cooked chicken parts like thighs, wings, and necks, including the skin. To preserve collagen, cook chicken skin gently, by roasting, baking, or boiling in broth. Avoid deep frying, as it oxidizes fats and increases inflammation. Bone-in, skin-on cuts offer the richest combination of flavor and nutrition. They can be eaten warm right off the bone, shredded into salads, or added to soups. Though the texture might require some adjustment, the benefits for your knees, hips, and ankles, areas commonly affected in seniors, are worth it. Chicken skin delivers direct collagen support. It's also a familiar and affordable dish that can easily be worked into your meals without major changes. If your legs begin to feel fatigued or if you find yourself limping by the evening, don't toss the skin. That crispy or tender layer might make walking easier when you wake up the next morning. Next, gelatin is one of the purest and most accessible collagen sources available. It's essentially cooked collagen, derived from skin, bones, and connective tissue. Once consumed, it immediately begins supporting ligaments, tendons, and joints. What sets gelatin apart is its high absorbability, far better than many popular supplements. It offers a natural, fast-acting remedy for aching joints. In a double-blind trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2018, older adults with mild to severe joint pain were given gelatin. After just 6 weeks, participants experienced a 27% reduction in knee and ankle swelling and a 37% improvement in joint flexibility. MRI scans even showed early signs of cartilage regeneration, which is rare without surgery in older individuals. Most notably, benefits often appeared within 2 weeks of consistent intake. For best results, choose unflavored, grass-fed gelatin powder free from additives and sugar. Stir it into bone broth, tea, or warm water until fully dissolved. It can also be added to soups or stews for thickening or made into collagen-rich gummies with real juice. The key is consistency. Daily intake, even in small amounts, has shown promise in reducing swelling and enhancing joint performance over time. Gelatin doesn't just ease pain, it also reinforces the connective tissues and tendons supporting your legs and hips. For seniors dealing with ongoing puffiness, leg fatigue, or burning after walking, gelatin offers one of the most effective collagen sources without needing major dietary changes. Just 1 warm cup a day could help restore ease of movement and flexibility. Sardines, when consumed whole with bones and skin, are an often overlooked collagen superfood. Their soft, edible bones are packed with type 1 collagen, calcium phosphate, and natural gelatin, all crucial components for strong, healthy, pain-free joints. The skin contains omega-3s and elastin, which help reduce inflammation and assist in repairing damaged connective tissues. This makes sardines especially helpful for older adults experiencing swelling, stiffness, or sore joints after standing or walking. In a 2022 nutrition study, seniors who ate whole sardines 3 times per week saw a 25% drop in knee and ankle swelling, a 29% reduction in joint pain, and increased collagen markers in blood tests by week 8. Researchers noted that results were even more significant in people over 65 with early arthritis signs. To gain the most benefits, opt for canned sardines in water or olive oil. Avoid those in soybean oil or heavy sauces. Make sure they still include bones and skin, as these are the richest collagen and calcium sources. Try mashing them into avocado toast, mixing into rice bowls, or adding to salads with lemon and herbs. If the taste is too strong at first, blend with plain Greek yogurt and mustard for a gentler spread. Sardines don't just ease inflammation, they help rebuild what aging has diminished. These small fish deliver powerful collagen support without supplements. If you've avoided sardines due to the smell or texture, it may be time to reconsider. Your legs could feel the difference in just weeks. In second place is bone broth. This is more than just comfort food, it's liquid collagen therapy. Simmering bones for long hours releases gelatin, types 1 and 2 collagen, glycine, proline, and a range of joint-healing compounds that address stiffness, inflammation, and tissue breakdown. For seniors dealing with sore knees or swelling, bone broth offers highly absorbable collagen in a natural food form. It not only soothes discomfort, but strengthens the connective framework around joints. A 2021 clinical interventions in aging trial found that seniors who drank 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks experienced a 44% reduction in swelling and a 38% improvement in mobility and pain scores. Ultrasound images confirmed internal recovery, including thickened cartilage in the knees. Unlike many collagen powders, bone broth contains the necessary minerals to help your body absorb and utilize collagen effectively. To make your own, simmer collagen-rich bones like beef knuckles, turkey necks, or chicken backs with herbs, garlic, onion, apple cider vinegar, and water for 12 to 24 hours. The vinegar helps extract minerals from the bones. If homemade broth isn't an option, look for frozen or refrigerated versions without preservatives or additives. Use it as a cooking base for rice or vegetables, stir into stews and soups, or sip warm on its own. Bone broth hydrates and strengthens joints while working quickly. For seniors who experience daily swelling or grinding knees, a warm cup each day can transform walking from a struggle to a steady stride. This is not just soup, it's a mug of healing collagen. Taking the top spot, beef tendons. Though not glamorous, they're the most collagen-rich food available, especially for anyone seeking to ease joint pain, reduce swelling, and restore leg and knee structure. Tendons are almost entirely made of type 1 collagen, the same type found in skin, bones, and ligaments. When cooked, they release gelatin and bioactive peptides that specifically target aging connective tissues. For seniors suffering from stiffness or lower leg swelling, tendon collagen has benefits unmatched by any supplement. In a 2022 Journal of Functional Foods clinical trial, people over 60 who ate collagen-rich tendon stew 3 times weekly showed better walking balance, a 41% drop in knee stiffness, and a 63% improvement in joint fluid levels compared to a control group. MRI scans even confirmed regeneration of cushioning soft tissue around major joints. Most participants noticed results within 30 days of regular consumption. That's the power of tendon collagen. To prepare beef tendons, slow cook them until all collagen is released. Simmer for 8 to 12 hours until they're soft and gelatinous. Flavor them with ginger, garlic, or rice vinegar for better taste and digestion. Once tender, chop and add to soups, stews, or noodle dishes. If you're new to tendons, start with small amounts and pair them with soft vegetables or bone broth. Beef tendons restore what aging has worn away. They strengthen connective tissues around the ankles, rebuild cartilage in the knees, and revive the cushion that protects your hips. For seniors who struggle with walking, stair climbing, or standing, tendons may offer the quickest return to comfort and movement. It may not be trendy or flashy, but it's the most potent collagen source nature provides. And your joints will feel the difference.